This that you see on the screen is the BetaFPV Air65 Champion Edition. I debated myself on doing this review or not, since this is a drone that BetaFPV decided to create only 1,000 units to be sold over Black Friday 2024. And even before Black Friday, they were all sold out. So, who is this review for actually? This drone is actually what I have recommended to build since some time ago if you look at the videos that I have on the YouTube channel. The main differences with the Air65 are that it uses the new BetaFPV all-in-one 5-in-1 board and that the motors are 0702 30,000 kV dual ball bearing. They also made it all black instead of the typical blue frame from BetaFPV. Honestly, I like better the typical blue and white from BetaFPV, but anyway, this looks cool as well. This drone is very light, not the lightest in its level. That prize was won by Newbie Drone with the new drone that they did recently that is only 16 grams or something like that. But it's still super light with powerful motors. Why I like this drone so much and why I was suggesting you to build it. The 30,000 kV motors together with the lightweight frame creates a power to weight ratio which allows pilots to move these things in the air as no other drone can do. I think BetaFPV has been thinking about this drone as a racing drone, therefore the name, Champion, probably. But I use it for freestyle and I love it, it works so well for it. One thing I can say is that if you are going to cruise and fly indoors in small places, you might want to add some throttle limits to this drone because otherwise it can be too powerful. Back to my original question about who is this review for. This review is for you that didn't have the chance to buy one of these Champion Edition as a bind and flight. And I want us to get together and let BetaFPV know that this drone is something that is very good and it shouldn't be a limited edition. It should be a regular product that they offer together with everything else that they do, right? If you agree with me, I want you to comment on this video and let BetaFPV know that you're expecting this to become a regular product. So everyone like you and me can go and buy it, can buy spare parts and keep enjoying of this really good drone that BetaFPV just gave us. This is what I have for you today. Thank you for watching and see you soon.